Hey guys, Animus Travels here with, I'm guessing, late breaking earthquake news. Well, there's two of them, but at the moment I only have one to give you it right now. So it is a 3.62 quake in San Sabino, California. Hope I said that right. And it's along the West Coast area, going from San Po or San Populous, California, all the way to Los Angeles. And along that area, with it hitting the small cities that are in that alignment. So yeah, those cities that are between the those areas that I mentioned will feel the quake. The Los Angeles probably won't feel it as much. Probably a small aftershock sensation, but other than that, probably not. If they if they if not if they haven't, then they're lucky. This these happened I'm guessing last night or early this morning. The cities that were closest to the to where the and where the quake originally hit, would have felt it the most though. And I hope that everyone who lives in along that area is doing okay. I'm not sure if there's that many, if there's that much damage or not, or if there's any injuries. But if there are, I hope everyone's doing okay. Well, I'll talk to you guys more about the second quake that happened, which I do know was a 4.0 quake. But it could have been less now. But that was the initial quake. I'll let you guys know about exactly where it is as soon as I can. All right. Well, I'll talk to you guys soon about the second quake. Till then, everyone.